is what I needed. You know, so I needed to know, tell me about Jasmine. You know, and so he could tell me all about.
There's a cute little bird.
He could tell me all about Jasmine. That's a cute little bird. That's a big bird. My little birds are littler.
So here are the birds, and here are the cats that are looking to eat the birds. They just watch like ferocious kittens.
Oh yeah, they look really ferocious.
And this is the cat feeder. She feeds the cats.
With
She
birds.
feeds them the birds by buying them bird seed and then telling these cats where to eat the birds. Is that the face of a cat of a bird killer? I didn't think so, but she does it every day. She teaches the cats to eat the birds.
I do not.
I love you.
Sweet, charming, innocent. Look. More cat food.